Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy your own EOS force. So this will be a full tutorial. I'll show you everything step by step. So we are going to be using two platforms for this. The reason for that is because first we are going to be using Coinbase. Coinbase is absolutely a great platform to deposit money to. For cryptocurrency, it is the most used cryptocurrency platform in the world, and it's very easy to connect to your debit card, credit card, bank. So that's why I recommend Coinbase. And if you sign up for Coinbase with the link in the description down below, you even get a $10 Bitcoin bonus. Okay, so that's great. The second platform we are going to be using is KuCoin. And what we are going to do, we are going to send crypto from Coinbase to KuCoin. And in order to do that, we have to first buy some on Coinbase, send it to KuCoin, and then transfer it into the EOS force, which will be very easy. I'll show you everything step by step. So first go to Coinbase, and you want to make sure to deposit some money into your account. So I don't have a lot. I only have 250. What you want to do to send it to KuCoin, first also create a KuCoin account. So you want to go to Coinbase, go to send/receive at the top, hit send, and we are going to send some Bitcoin first to KuCoin. So make sure you select Bitcoin, and we have to send it to our KuCoin address. So go to that website, and then you want to go to your main account right there, and then find Bitcoin. Type it in, there it is, BTC, hit deposit, and now your Bitcoin address will show. So this is your Bitcoin address. Go to Coinbase, paste it in here, and then you can add a message like hello, just something, and then you can send any amount that's on your Coinbase account. Hit continue, and it will be directly deposited in your KuCoin account. That's really great. It will be deposited directly, and it will be added to your deposit history as well. Then once it is in your KuCoin account, so I can do it because I don't have enough balance, just hit continue. Once it's in here, you want to go to markets. There we go. And then you want to we have to find the search bar over here. Now type in EOS, and there it is, EOS/Bitcoin. Open it, and now it is going to load, and we can buy it from here. So go to the down here, then you want to do a market sell. That's what I recommend you. Select the amount of EOS you want to buy, for example 10. I can do it because I don't have enough balance. Then you can hit buy, and there you go, you just bought yourself some EOS. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.